Hi everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to import your data to Google Colab. So whether you want to run some analysis or you want to build a model and you are wondering how you can use your data or import it to Google Colab, you are in the right place. And stick with me and I'll show you how you can achieve that. Now, without any much waste of time, we are going to be jumping in. So I have this txt file titled name.txt, which has names of people. So let's go to our Colab and see how we can import this. So yeah, so there are two major ways you can import the names. Now, the first one is by importing it to a service like GitHub. Now, go to your GitHub. After you've upload the data, you can click on this raw, and then it's going to update the URL. Now, you can then copy the URL and go back to your collab. Now, the first thing you have to do here is import request. Then you create a variable URL and assign the URL from GitHub. Now, let's create another variable to read from that URL. Let's say word, and then we call out our request. And text, and then let's split the lines. Now we can then move to print the first 10 names. Print words, and then now let's run it to see what we get. And then you see that we have the first 10 names. The first name, which is Emma, Olivia, Eva, Isabel, and then yeah, you see it's the same thing here and the same thing on your GitHub raw. Now let's move into the second way in which you can import your data to Google Colab. Now, this is the simple or local way you can do it. You can just go to the folder icon on the site navigation bar, click on it, and then click on upload, and then select it. Now, ours is name.txt. So in order to read it, let's write a code to read it. So our names should be, now this is the traditional way of opening with Python or reading with Python. Names dot txt, then we read it, and then we split the lines. Now let's print the first 10 let's print the first 10 names in the names.txt. We can use list comprehension to do that. So print name, and then for name in names, let's pick the first 10 and then let's run it. Now you see that here we have Emma here, and that's the first year. We have Olivia, and that's the second name, down to the last, down to the 10th name. So these are some of the ways in which you can upload your data to Colab, and I think you can still upload it to platforms like Kaggle and still import it and use it here in your Colab. So now, whether you're using Google Colab or you are using the Colab plugin on VS Code, you can still be able to um, import your data and use it using this first method if you are using the Colab plugin on your VS Code. While here, you can just import it if you're running it locally. So I hope you find this video helpful, and please, if you do find it, make sure you subscribe to this channel in order to get notified of the next video I'm going to be uploading. Thank you.